Hello friends, welcome back to Kinney's Corner. In today's video, we are going to make Kerala Ayurvedic Herbal Hair Oil. Friends, this recipe is prepared by my mother and she got this recipe from her grandmother. Friends, I found this oil a magic oil. At the same time, making this oil is very easy. You can store this hair oil up to 1 year. Only thing is, you have to use this hair oil regularly to get the maximum advantages from this oil. Friends, most of the ingredients are available at our home. Like that, we also found all the ingredients at our home as well as from our little garden. Now, let's see what are the ingredients we need to make this oil. First thing is we need half liter coconut oil, 1 handful of curry leaves, 1 handful henna or mehndi leaves, 1 aloe vera leaf, we have to remove the gel from it, 2 amla and 1 tablespoon kalonji. Friends, now we will put all the ingredients together and we will grind it coarsely. If you want, you can put these ingredients directly into the oil. But my mother preferred to grind it little bit. Now this oil is little hot and we will put all the ingredients together and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. While boiling these ingredients, you have to stir it continuously so all the sattvas of these ingredients get into the oil. Now it is already 15 minutes and you can see all the ingredients are floating. Now we will switch off the flame, let it cool down before starting the next process. Now our oil is cooled down and we will filter it. After filtering it, we will shift this oil into another container or jar. Friends, now you have seen how easy to make this hair oil. I request to the people who are facing any hair condition should try this hair oil once. And if you have any question related to this recipe or making this hair oil, then you should write us in comment box and my mother will love to answer all your questions. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and take care of yourself.